How to check Subway ingredient information. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide or key methods in order to check out your ingredients on Subway. So let's just dive right in and get started. We can directly head over to their site and directly search for option like Subway ingredient information, something like that. And you can check it out. You can just go and do so and look out for the nutrition section within your page, which will provide you PDF downloads for ingredient guides, allergen info, and nutritional data. You can just go over and check it out. We have different products available. You can just go over and check this out and look out for the menu or the nutrition piece on the Subway. If you do not find it there, you can look out for this other option. So the Subway ingredient information may vary by region. So you can see we have Singapore option also available when we look out for the results. But if you want to look out for Subway.coms, you can tap on Subway.com and there will be finding an ingredient page. I think a PDF available. So you can just go over and check it out. We have for breads, these products are being used. You can just go over and look out for it and see the ingredient guide available here. You can check it out. And Subway provides specific updated lists for allergen, such as wheat, soy, barley, milk, which are essential for identifying safe options. If not, within this PDF version, you can ask a staff member for ingredient guide as they have access to allergen information. You can just go and check it out. And there are also third-party websites or guides to check out the specific dietary needs. You can check it out, and that's it. But these are the most common ingredient considerations. You can check it out, and that's it. So you may follow this method if you want to view it up. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.